Find the length, x, from the given figure. Trigonometric identity, line construction, Pythagoras. Theorem, basic arithmetic and algebraic processes are used to solve this question. Label points A, B, C, D, E and F. Let angle ABC be equals to theta. Join line AF. This implies that line C equals line AF, which equals to 20. It is because opposite side lengths of a rectangle are equal. From triangle AFB, using Pythagoras' theorem, the square of line BF equals the square of line AB minus the square of line AF, which equals to 176. After simplification of substituted values, take the square root of equation. It follows that line BF equals the square root of 176. By trigonometric identity, line BF divided by line AB equals the square root of 176 divided by 24, which equals to cosine theta. We call it equation 1. Also, angle ADC equals 180 degrees minus angle ABC, which equals to 180 degrees minus theta. This is because opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. It follows that angle EDA equals 180 degrees minus angle ADC, which equals to theta. Consider triangle EDA. Use trigonometric identity. Line ED divided by line D, A equals 8 divided by x, which equals to cosine theta. Substitute equation 1 for cosine theta. This implies that 8 divided by x equals cosine theta, which equals to the square root of 176 divided by 24. Cross multiply. We have that 8 times 24 equals x times the square root of 176. Divide the equation by the square root of 176. This implies that x equals 8 times 24, all divided by the square root of 176, which equals to 48 times the square root of 11. All divided by 11, after rationalizing the denominator. Therefore, x equals 48 times the square root of 11, all divided by 11, in units, or 14.7741 units to 4 decimal places.